Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the completely random stock portfolio, which well, it's obvious. It's completely random stocks. All right. Anyways, the current portfolio is valued at $1,223.25 with 38 cents in cash, which was from a dividend. Hop over to our spreadsheet. You already got those numbers. We deposited $1,000 even, which means we are currently up $223.25. or 22.33% on my completely random stock portfolio. As you know, I've not bought any stocks since I put $1,000 in, and I have not sold any stocks. We are not making any profit in any way except for it growing in value. And dividends, which we've gotten 38 cents worth right here. We've earned 38 cents and been paid 38 cents. And that is all that's happened in the dividends on this portfolio. So this won't change at all, so there's really no reason to update it. The only reason this will change is if there's a dividend change. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And there's been 0 dividend changes. So yeah, nothing new here. But that is it. We're up 22.33% since December 21st, so just barely over a month. That's kind of amazing for completely random stock portfolio. I don't even know what to say. I'm baffled. So anyways, enjoy. Have a good one. Later. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.